Hi, welcome to Bushido Mindset Podcast. My name is Angel Gonzalez, your host. Today, I want to talk about getting away to nature. We live in cities, concrete jungles, noise, 5G towers, noise pollution, stress, anxiety, uh, traffic, all these things. And you know what? We live under stress. We live in the rat race. And the best way to connect to your essence is to get away, go to nature. Right now, I'm in the Everglades National Park, and me and my wife are getting ready to watch the sunset come down. And these are moments that are very special because every moment that you live, you got to be thankful that you're alive, that you're breathing, that you are blessed to live in this country, to live in America, that you are blessed that we have the opportunity to do things like this. Now, all I'm hearing is birds, the bees, the wind. This is a magical, truly magical place. And there's many magical places that you can go. You just gotta find the time to do it. Go out with your family, enjoy, connect with nature, because take your shoes off and step on the ground and ground yourself. Ground yourself. Take those shoes off and look at this. Step on ground. Ground yourself. Get the energy from the earth. All right? Breathe. If you want to close your eyes and just listen to the birds, do it. Meditate. Relax. And just stay quiet. Just stay still. Watch nature. It is a wonderful thing that we have forgotten. We are so wrapped up with a cell phone, with all these gadgets, all these video games. That's why people are going crazy. People are going insane because they've gotten away from where we come from. We come from Earth. We come from nature. We don't eat natural foods anymore. Okay, everything is processed. We don't eat no more fruits and vegetables. We don't drink the pure water. We don't do the things that gives us the health, the vitality. I mean, let me stretch a little bit. Feels so good. Feels so good to be 66 years old. I love it. It's like if you do the things the right way, it's like you get younger and younger. You don't feel your age. That's why I'm doing this video. So I wanna teach people the holistic way of life. I want to teach people a good life that you can have, the potential you can have to really, really, really connect to yourself, connect to people. You have to have the knowledge. Don't get wrapped up in all this drama. Get away from it. Come to Florida. Look at this place. Soon the sun will be coming down. Right now, I'm gonna stop the video, and then when the sun is coming down, I'm gonna come back and show you something beautiful that you can do it yourself. You can just go outside. Go at nighttime. Look at the moon. Enjoy the blessings. Look at this. I want you to take a minute and just enjoy this amazing sunset. I want you to realize that without the sun, there's no life. The sun don't discriminate. It gives light to whoever it is. Doesn't matter whether you're black, white, Chinese, whatever. The sun doesn't discriminate. The sun is all giving. We should be like the sun. We should be like the sun. Be giving. And don't expect things repay. Just do things because you do it from your heart. Thank you very much for enjoying this with us. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, you know what to do. Have a fantastic life.